My name is Phil Andrews. I'm the president of the Long Island African American Chamber of Commerce. What's unique about the Chamber of Commerce, the Chamber offers networking, business development, financial empowerment, forums, conferences, and seminars. We are in line to certify more minority businesses in conjunction with the recent order of the governor to make the quota of 20% of business done with the state of New York. This is an unprecedented opportunity for minorities to do business, and we are the voice to help grow businesses and also help market businesses. So I do believe that business is a team sport, and we bring those resources to increase the likelihood of the success of your team.
The African American Chamber of Commerce is currently partnering with Hofstra University in an effort to offer workshops so that women-owned businesses can complete the necessary paperwork to become certified so they can qualify for grants and other opportunities.
Belonging to the African American Chamber has been a win-win for us at Fidelis. It's enabled us not only to meet many community leaders, but we've been able to make contacts within the community.
Since being a part of the Long Island African American Chamber of Commerce, it has given us a tremendous opportunity to expand our brand and leverage our capacity, and we're so thankful to be part of such an awesome organization.
Here at the African American Chamber of Commerce, we are poised to be one of the most significant business organizations in the region. For more information, give us a call.